Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is 19th of July and it's Tuesday and I've traded in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So today I'm going to analyze the opportunities that were available for today's session. Okay, so basically this video is more like a trader psychology. It's more about trader psychology, like how to control your emotions when you are trading, because once you learn to control your emotions while trading, then only you can become a successful trader. Okay, so you have to let go of the fear when the opportunity is right. You have to let go of greed when your target is, your target is when you have achieved your target, and you have to let go of FOMO. You have to let go of FOMO when you see a rally and you're not a part of it. Okay, so why I said that today is more about a trader psychology, because number one thing that I started checking chart, like I thought that I would not trade today, but I woke up late. I wasn't well last night, so I woke up late, and I started around, sorry, that was, I don't know. Okay, I started around 10:45. Okay, I started around 10:45. Then around this around this time. Okay, so I already knew this line that I've drawn. This blue line is this line. Okay, this line is it's PDH and also a major supply zone. Okay, so my play was, see, if I had started early in the morning, like when market opened, I would have gone long here, because this is my pattern, breakout pattern. Okay, so I would have gone long here, but I could not because I woke up late. I was sleeping by that time. So this was the right opportunity to go for a long trade. Okay, and as I already knew that this line that I have drawn is PDH and also a major supply zone, so it is my duty, I am obligated to book my profit here. And you see, I've got a good momentum, right? But I missed it, so I waited for this level to react. I waited for sellers and buyers to react at this level, so that I could, I could decide whether it's going to break this level. Although I knew that it's not that easy to break this level, not at least in one time, because it's going to retest and maybe then go come down and then maybe go like this, or maybe again come down and go like this. Okay, so I wanted to capture this momentum. I thought that I entered here, I thought market is going to come to this level and it would be very easy to book my profit here. I got the momentum. Okay, I had the profit of almost 9,000 around, in this till here 9,000. But what happened, my target was this. I did not count I did not count this CPR as, I did not count CPR as a support, because it was already broken in the morning of itself. So I was waiting for my target and I did not book my target, and I did not book my profit until I get my target. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my target, and still I did not book my profit. Like I wanted price to come to this level, and then I would have booked my target, but booked my profit, but I didn't. So this is how you have to control. Like you can't say, oh my god, my profit is already 9k. Why would I, you know, let go of 9k and go for long profit? See, if you keep doing this, you will never be able to book big profits. If you keep doing that, I had a big picture in front of me. I stuck to my rule. I did not let my FOMO or greed to make me book my profit even when I did not get my target. My initial target was this. This was my and first target, and PDL was my second target. So you see, there wasn't any point of booking my profit in this candle. I said, okay, if you want to go, you can go. If you want to take my SL, you can go. But I am not booking my profit, not here. Okay, so it did not come. See, this is what trading is, right? And then I waited again in Nifty. I waited again around this time because CPR was a major resistance in today's session in Nifty. So, so I saw in the second time also it could not break this, and it came down, but again faced rejection here. So I knew that in the third time either it's gonna go up, because first, second, and then third. You see, in the third time it went up, but in Nifty, in the downside also, I knew if it faces rejection again, then there is 85% probability that it is going to touch EDO. So I went short here again. I bought PE, okay, and in this candle, by this candle, you see, long way, by this candle I already had the profit of 4 to 5k, but I did not book my profit again. Why? Because see, I was sure, I have this retest setup where I wait for retest, and we all know that in the second or in the third time there is 85% chances that retest will work. But in the second time also it can go up, it can break through, or it can either go up or downside, it can give you breakout. But in the third time the chances are even higher. Okay, so I did not book my profit here. I stood by my plan that I am going to book my profit either in at day's low or PDL. But what happened? It was a big red candle. This you see, this was a big red candle. This was a big red candle. But in this candle it took my stop, and I was fine. I was even happy because I knew that my risk was in control. Okay, I do not risk more than 5k. So my loss was 2,500. So I did not break my risk rule, and also my rules for target booking and for target and for profit booking. So this is how you become a successful trader. You have to be in control of your mind, because if you don't control your mind is going to control you, and that will lead to what? That will lead to FOMO, wrong entries, greed, and overtraining. That's these are the enemies for being a good trader. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you have learned something, and I've made my points clear how to become a successful trader psychologically. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.